Hi everybody, my name's Craig Sharp from Abussi. You can see that it's morning here. This video is similar to one I've done about home internet services and Wi-Fi. Have a look in the comments below for a link for that. But this one is about trying to deal with the problem that you may be facing during this COVID outbreak, which relates to the placing of devices around your home, and they might not be Wi-Fi devices. So we're aware within our business that some of our clients have had to give desktop computers to staff to take home. And of course, those desktop computers traditionally don't have Wi-Fi built into them. So a couple of options. The first option you can use is you can buy a small dongle. You can either buy a little nano dongle, which looks a little bit like the USB thing you put in your computer that works with a wireless keyboard or wireless mouse. So it's like a little black square on the end of a USB plug, and you can connect those. They work quite well. The problem with those is the fact that they've not got very big aerials, and so the quality of the Wi-Fi and the speed that you'll get if you use one is not that good. You can buy Wi-Fi dongles with aerials, so that's like a pen drive, and sticking out the top of the pen drive is an aerial like you would see on the back of an internet router. Those tend to be better because they've got more aerial capacity and they bring in greater Wi-Fi speed. So those are the two ways that you can convert a normal non-Wi-Fi device like a computer into a wireless device. The other way to do it is to not rely upon wireless, and you can use what are called PowerLine adapters or power plugs. Now, I have a packet of these here. So these are PowerLine plugs, and the way they work is fairly simple. You plug one of these into a power socket, a normal 3-pin power socket that's adjacent to where your router is. So that's the router that comes in either from Sky or Virgin or wherever you've located that. You plug that in nearby, and at the bottom there's a point where you can connect a cable from this plug into your router. Okay, so that's one end of the setup, so that's 50% of it done. Router into here, plugged into the wall. Then you take the other one and you go and plug that in a power socket adjacent to your computer or other device, and you connect a cable from the bottom of this into your PC. And what that actually does is it uses the ring main of your own home to bridge the gap between the 2 points. So you've got a plug over here connected to the router and a plug over here connected to your device, and the distance between the 2 plugs is connected with your internal wiring, and that's how that then allows the signal to travel between the 2 plugs. You can buy different models of these. This is a cheaper brand. There's TP-Link, there's D-Link, there's all sorts, but they all work in exactly the same way. Often they'll have little indicator lights, so if one of these shows 3 lights and the other one shows 3 lights, then you're good to go, everything's connected. And they're pretty simple and straightforward. They need no configuration at all. There's nothing that you need to worry about in terms of IP addresses. There's no settings that need to be changed. As long as they're on the same ring main, which all houses, as long as you haven't had some sort of odd extension which might have a different setup, but traditionally all houses are all on the same ring main. You plug them in, ends become connected, and you then have a hardwired connection between your internet router, which could be in a hallway or on a kitchen surface somewhere, and a computer that you've had to put in a dining room or a study or a guest bedroom or whatever. So that's PowerLine adapters, a great way of dealing with situations where you don't have Wi-Fi on a fixed cable device. So hopefully that's been of some help. Please put your comments below if you want any more information. My name's Craig Sharp and I'm from Abussi. Thanks.